2002 Maserati Spider Cambio Corsa. Price: $28.299. Location: Nevada, USA. The 2002 Maserati Spider Cambio Corsa is one of those rare Italian sports cars that perfectly blends timeless elegance with thrilling performance. With only 15,785 original miles, this beautifully preserved convertible stands as a remarkable example of Maserati's modern renaissance, finished in sophisticated Grigio touring over a luxurious blue leather interior, complemented by a matching dark blue canvas soft top. This Spider immediately captures attention wherever it goes. If you're searching for an exotic Grand Tourer that offers both exclusivity and driving excitement, this Maserati deserves a place at the top of your list. The beating heart of this Italian masterpiece is the legendary 4.2-litre F136 naturally aspirated V8, an engine that would later become the foundation for several Ferrari power plants, producing an unforgettable soundtrack with every press of the throttle. The V8 is paired with Maserati's Cambio Corsa automatic transmission, featuring Formula One-inspired paddle shifters mounted on the steering column. Every acceleration delivers razor-sharp gear changes, while the quad exhaust system creates a deep, unmistakable Italian symphony that true enthusiasts will instantly recognize. The cabin is equally impressive, combining luxury with subtle motorsport-inspired details. This example features the desirable, optional carbon fiber trim package on the steering wheel and door panels, giving the interior a premium performance feel. Jaeger gauges, embroidered leather seats, Maserati-branded door sills, a 3-spoke steering wheel, power-adjustable seats, cruise control, air conditioning, power windows, and power mirrors all work together to create an upscale grand touring environment. Every detail reminds you that this is a handcrafted Italian sports car designed for both spirited driving and comfortable long-distance journeys. Outside, the Spider's elegant styling remains as captivating today as it was when it debuted. Penned by the legendary Giorgetto Giugiaro of Ital Design, the body features graceful curves, aggressive front styling, Carello headlights and fog lights, silver brake calipers behind stunning 19-inch Volano alloy wheels, and high-performance Pirelli tires. Whether cruising through city streets or carving scenic mountain roads, this Maserati delivers a presence that few modern convertibles can match. Mechanically, the car is reported to be in excellent condition and comes complete with its original owner's manuals, factory literature, Maserati tire inflation and sealant kit, and a clean Carfax report. The only noted issue is the power convertible top, which opens approximately 80% before stopping. The motor remains operational, and the roof closes completely, but additional repair is needed for full functionality.